What's up, guys? We're in Antioch. We're about to pick up the bait, and we're about to head our asses to San Francisco, baby. Yeah. What's up, guys? Dirty Delta Fishing, man. I made it. San Francisco, California, baby. Fucking sick.
Yeah, with some dirty Delta Fishing here, you understand me, right? We in the Frisco, catching some of these good old stripers out here too, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
Dirty Delta Fishing.
What do you be catching your live bait at, man?
Right here, bro. You can right here. That's what they're looking all through. You see them all in the water here.
We're catching bait, Jacob. Say what's happening.
What's happening? Trying to catch some live bait, sabiki bait. Dirty Delta Fishing. Yep, in the bay.
I'm trying to catch them tonight.